I think there's been a light bulb moment in understanding men's health. Blokes gives you accessibility to where it's easy.
Getting on the site, you type in an email, somebody reaches out, you set up a Zoom conference, and you're talking one-on-one with the doctor about what you want to accomplish.
Talk to them about what my goals are, what my feelings are, kind of like where I was and where I wanted to go. Listening to them, and then just laying out a plan for me that fit me.
And then they send you this package, right?
I reached out to the team at Blokes. Within 24 hours, we had set up a video conference. The folks stepped me through exactly the process for each of the individual medications. I was able to ask questions, they answered them, and really just put my mind at ease in the whole process.
And it's all been done from my house.
Telemedicine is the future, especially in this field. I think it works.
Blokes is creating not only a virtual experience, but the same type of experience you're going to get out of brick and mortar, but in the confines of your own home. We don't care if you're in your underwear, if you're in your sweatpants. If we can get your labs checked and we can get you on the phone and get a video conference going, we're going to take care of you. We're trying to get you back to your old self, and some of those misconceptions are a phone call away for you to understand that you can get treatment and you can get help.